KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today we're going to be comparing the Contempo food processor with the KitchenAid 5 KFC 3516A food processor. The Contempo is going to cost you $29 from Kmart, okay, and the KitchenAid retails for $135, but you can get that for a lot less when they're on special. Right, let's have a look. We've got a top mount 1-speed 400-watt motor in the Contempo, and we've got a bottom mount 2-speed 240-watt motor with the KitchenAid. Okay, so let's have a look at our bowls. We have an 860 milliliter glass bowl with the Contempo and a 875 milliliter plastic bowl with the KitchenAid, so a little bit more in sort of size. Let's go for weight, and the Contempo is 1571 grams. A lot of that is in the motor and of course the glass bowl, and the glass bowl really does feel really nice, but there are some little shortcomings with that unit. The KitchenAid comes in at 1227 grams, but obviously our bowl is made out of plastic. The actual motor unit itself does have a nice amount of weight to it. Okay, and let's have a look at our blades. Pretty similar, but look, this how fine can these things chop. We're going to give you a blade height of 4.18 millimeter on the Contempo, using my vernier calipers there to make sure I get it as accurate as possible, and we have only 1.19 millimeters of blade height on the KitchenAid. It does cut a lot finer. It's great for herbs and things like that. Okay, so which one are we going to buy? Not yet. Well, as you can see, the blade that goes in the Contempo is a little dicky. It is a little floppy, but and you've got to put that little top section on and then align the motor and the drive all together. To operate that, all you have to do is push the one button straight on top. Absolutely fantastic for someone like me with MS. You haven't got to go looking for little switches. The KitchenAid, you actually have to lock the bowl in, put your blade on, of course, and you have to put on the lid just like a traditional food processor. And this unit's really new. I mean, literally, this is the second time I've actually had it out of the box, so it's still a little bit cumbersome. And to operate this one on pulse, all you have to do is push that little tail bit of the handle there. Okay, now one thing I do like about this, it has a pouring spout, so if you want to make up sauces like mayonnaise or whatever, that is a really handy little feature. The Contempo, you can see we've got little areas where food can get stuck into the blade, and the KitchenAid, of course, the blade is protected by that nice little shroud, and the blade goes down through there, and you're not going to get gunk and muck getting into that at all. Alright, so how good are they? Well, they're going to give you 2 years warranty on both units, and I reckon that is pretty impressive. So which one should you buy? Which one shouldn't you buy? Which one would I recommend? Which one would I not recommend? I tell you what, $29 for the Contempo single speed glass bowl. It has done me real good for at least the last 4 years. I have not had to replace it, never had an issue, apart from having to clean that little blade area. The KitchenAid, brand new to me, as I said, did not pay full retail, paid less than that, got about 30% off, and look, the 2 speeds really does make a difference. It is great for chopping nuts. The Contempo is not recommended for chopping nuts. I'm going to leave the decision up to you as to whether which one to buy. They're both fantastic, and look, I am a bit of a KitchenAid fan. That's why when it was on special I grabbed it anyway. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Hit that like button, hit the notifications bell, leave a comment, share the video with all your friends. If you want to see these things in action, subscribe to the channel, and we'll play together online. Alright, I will catch you next time. Bye.